What is good, YouTube? It's That One Camera Guy, back at again with another video for you. I'm here with
Jason Vong.
and we are going to have a Monday live show tonight at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, February 26th, whenever you're watching this. You might be in the future, I don't know. But we are going to be dissecting this new camera, which technically has not been announced. However, there are already photographs posted on Sony Alpha Rumors, so this thing is a hot potato. It's going to happen, it's going to go down, and we're going to know at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, potentially, what this camera is all about. We're going to go over why its specs, whether we're going to get it, everything else. So please, join us on the live stream, the live chat, and don't miss it this evening. Jason, anything?
See you guys there.
He had one job.
I know.
He just had one job.
Oh, well.